Welcome to AWNING Leisure Kingdom. My name's Richard and today I'm going to show you around this lovely pre-owned Elddis Autoquest 185 on a 67 plate. So it's a 2017. I believe it's done 9,000 miles. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, 9,800 miles. Obviously it's in white. I'll show you around the outside of the vehicle first and then we'll take you on the inside. So that's just the battery box there, toilet cassette at the back. The previous owner has obviously added a tow bar on this vehicle and reverse camera. So on the near side of the vehicle you just got your room for 2 LPG bottles. You have got your Fiamma awning, and I don't know if you can make out Wendy on top, it's got your television aerial. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, on the inside, here are the keys, Wendy. On the inside, as you can see, it's got these bench seats at the front, but underneath the bench seats are 2 travelling seats, so they pop up, so they're nicely hidden away. You can take them out if you want to, but it's a permanent job to take them out. It's only 4 screws to take them out. Okay, the cab at the front, 6-speed. This is a Peugeot engine on a 6-speed gearbox. Cab air conditioning, cruise control, and telephone and radio controls on the steering wheel. Okay, USB and 12 volt there. Up above here, that's where your reverse camera is. As you can see, if I can bend my arms around from where I am, they got internal screen blinds, and on the side windows as well. Okay. Also, on all of the windows around, you've got your fly screen and your blackout blinds as well. Okay, onto the kitchen area. So as you can see, you've got that nice little bit of an extender there. Microwave oven, sink, 3-burner hob, and a separate grill and oven. Obviously you've got your 3-way fridge, which is plenty of room for your beers and wines, and a nice little freezer compartment for your fish fingers. Okay. The heating on this vehicle is the whale heating system, keeps you nice and toasty in the winter. So as you can see, it's 4 berth, 4 belts, 2 single beds at the back, and obviously the travelling seats are underneath the 2 bench seats, as we said there. You've got a rear bathroom, so I'll let Wendy go in the bathroom to show you. So you've got a really nice sized bathroom there with a really big shower. So as you can see, vanity unit and sink. There we go, put the lights on so you can see what you're doing in there. Yeah. A big wardrobe at the back.
Really big.
So just to recap on this vehicle, it's a 2017 67 plate, 9,000 miles on the clock, 4 berth, 4 travelling seats, would look lovely on your drive. Give us a call if you want any more information on it.